Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the nearby videos or the nearby section on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. First of all, enter the application, and then here you will find the explore page, the first, and here you will find also the nearby section, and here it will show all the nearby's videos to you. So as you see here you will find you can enable the location permissions. Just click allow. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.